more confidence in that aspect. If that's what you're asking.
So ready ka na to share your life to everybody? Like, pwede nang pag-usapan yung personal life mo.
Well, as much as possible, yung personal life, stays personal. If I, just open my doors like that, hindi na siya personal na. It becomes public na. And I'd wanna keep my privacy as much as possible. Kasi, ginto talaga yun. As a public figure, privacy is good. So, yeah, I'd wanna keep my personal life private. But, I'm in this to act, and I'm in this to entertain people. Tsaka, para maging masaya yung mga tao dahil sa akin.
So ano yung mga hindi pwedeng tanong sa'yo na ayaw mo sagutin? Para at least klaro sa amin, bago kita tanungin sa'yo.
You can ask anything.
Okay, so ayan, open ka na. So, kailan ito, para lang malinaw, yung sa daddy mo and sa mommy mo, yung separation, kailan sila nag-separate? Bata ka ba?
Well, yeah, I think I'm not aware exactly what ano ba na pinanganak na ako tapos ayun sa case mo. Well, they were never married.
So hindi mo kinalakihan na magkasama kayo sa isang bahay?
Sorry.
Hindi mo kinalakihan na magkakasama kayo sa isang bahay?
Sorry, ano yung
Yung, when you were growing up, hindi kayo magkakasama sa isang bahay?
I lived with my mom.
Until what age?
I was still living with my mom.
Hanggang ngayon?
Yeah, I've lived with my mom my entire life. Pero, mas naging close kami ng dad ko. Siguro 3 years ago. When sinabi ko na gusto ko mag-showbiz at umarte. So, more on mentor, naging mentor ko siya, like brother figure, dad. Yo! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Pero when you were growing up, nandun siya sa buhay mo?
Scratch the brother figure. I don't know what I said. I don't look at him as I look at him as a father. And I look at him as a mentor.
And co-parenting naman sila ng mom mo?
Yes.
And nung, syempre, nagpakasal sila ni Angel, paano ang introduction?
Introduction.
Ni Angel sa'yo, paano siya pinakilala ng dad?
Nakilala ko si Tita Angel sa isang birthday party ni Dad. Hindi ko alam. I can't tell you exactly. I don't remember. But nakilala ko siya sa birthday party. And I guess I grew up thinking that, or I grew up with the fact that, okay, my mom sees people, my dad sees people. I guess okay naman. It's like a modern family vibe kind of thing. And civil naman sila lahat, and they're all friends actually. Like, as in, dahil sa PBB journey din, mas naging close sila. And then, ayun, I just find it really cool to think na posible pala yun na, my mom and my dad and my stepmom, si Tita Angel, and then my lola si J-Lo, like lagi silang magkasama. Ayun nga, modern family. It's really cool.
So the first time mo nakilala si Angel, naging close agad kayo?
Yeah, I mean, I was a kid. And,
Mga ilang taon ka nun?
mabait naman si Tita Angel, super.
Mga ilang taon ka nun?
I don't remember if I was 9 or 8 or 10 or 11. Basta around
So matagal na rin yung naging bonding.
about a decade.
So how will you describe her as a stepmom?
Hindi talaga ramdam na stepmom siya. She's one of the nicest people I've ever met. At kahit ako, siya talaga yung idol ko. Kasi malit ako sa acting. And, she's very, kumbaga, she believes what she believes in. And she's willing to stand for what's right. And mabait siya, sweet siya. And she's always willing to take care of me.
And in fact, talagang siya yung parang sumasagot sa
Last
mga
two
bashers
questions na lang
ngayon
daw, may lakad pa sila.
Na binabash ka, siya talaga nakikipaglaban for you.
Then last two questions na lang daw, may lakad pa sila.
I feel great. Needless to say. And it's not just her. Tsaka yung mga ibang fans ko, tsaka fans ko. Pinagtatawag din nila ako. And talagang salamat ako sa kanila.
Gusto mo na ba, last question niya,